Hello and welcome into today's video. And today I will start a new series where I work on my interpreter written in JavaScript. I already started this project, so there is some code I already wrote, but I will work on it, and I'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, also I follow this book, or this, I guess, web book, or whatever you want to call it. It has physical versions, right? If I click on this and I go down, you could buy it. You could buy it printed from Amazon, ebook, PDF, on the web version, which is free. That's why I use it, because I'm broke, and it's easier to share on OBS and stuff. So yeah, uh, I read through it a bit until 5, which is representing code, and I read until the part where I need to code a bit. So it's a coding channel, right? I won't bore you with reading. You could just go ahead and read it yourself. The link will be in the description, of course. And I'll skip ahead here. We introduce an expression class, which will be an abstract for all the classes here. They say that they do that just to wrap all of the classes that in one file, because Java, allows it only in this way. But I'm using JavaScript, which is actually an actual scripting language, so I could do whatever I want basically, and I'm not restricted to the file limitations. They talk about it here, and then they recommend that we write a program that generates our classes for us, so we don't have to write every class by hand, because we have 21 of them, right? Which is good, right? So, and today we will actually write a command line program that will help us do that. So start in Vim. um, I started using new Vim instead of VS Code, because I forgot to get this file name. Because I don't know, I kind of like it. That's my excuse. Uh, I will call this generate classes. Generate class. I guess that's good enough. Okay. I think I never wrote a terminal program in JavaScript, at least one that takes arguments. So let's try something. So console.log. I guess it's process dot argv, is it? Or, I actually don't know. I'll look it up. Uh, uh, okay, come on. Okay, Stack Overflow. Okay, good or not good, depends. No library. It's this process.argv. Okay, so it takes value, index, and array. Weird. So node. Also, this is just because for each, not okay. So I can just loop over it with a for loop. It does not. Okay, so it's just an array of strings, which I like. So I guess we're gonna read a bit, because I forgot what I'm exactly supposed to do. Let's read the code. So output is I guess I will just have the command line copy to clipboard, or paste to clipboard. That'll be easier for me to paste in the code. Uh, okay. Yeah, binary grouping, binary. Oh, so it's not command line. What is it? Hmm. So we need the binary grouping, expression left, circle operator, expression right. Okay, so this is the values the thing is gonna have, right? Hmm. Because we won't need types. And now like yeah. Okay, that makes sense. So what we're supposed to do is actually use the word argv, I guess. Still const. You could deconstructor it or not, and then after that you're gonna take the arguments, which is in our case will be the name of the class, the in the members. Okay, so the first is always the name of the class. Everything else is just members. And I think in our case we will also return, also like try to make the constructor in the result on the output. Okay, so we got the arguments. So what we're gonna do, I think, is just do console. So is let's no, result was an empty string, so we can modify that string, and then in the beginning it will be, I guess, we could directly do class uh, argv1 because argv0 would be the name of the command, which is actually it could be argv2 in fact. Oh, for let us test, why not? The console log argv, and then uh, open a new window and then generate class. Okay, so it has here, it has this. So yeah, it is if I want to generate class test. Okay, that was correct. So it will be the beginning, and we'll do the for loop for each other thing. So I guess it's not one, it will be three. It will start three and will end before the length. And what we will do is results at, I guess, the thing itself. So it's argv I, the semicolon, a semicolon if that's necessary, and then we will make the constructor, right? So also I need to make a new line every time. Before that, I actually make it after. Add this here and make it a new line after the thing. That would be useful. So now we just do the constructor. I cannot speak. This, we'll do this. And it will there must be a way to do this better than this. Because we want the arguments here again. Oh, you could do this really easy. Right, you could do, I think slice or splice. I forgot. I always forget this. I can't seem to remember it. Okay. So if I slice two, I slice just the first two elements. So I remove them. I want to remove the three first elements. So it will be arg v slice 3 join, and I'll join them by this. And this will be inside the thing. And then we'll do this. And I think I'll just copy this and paste it here. But instead of this, we will just do result. We'll do this dot arg v equals. Let me just copy this really quickly. V. And then I think all I need now is just to close the constructor in the uh, in the class. Okay. So basically, it's just result. I guess I could add a tab for it to be, I guess slash t tab, right? I think. I am not sure. I'll find out. Or I could just do this. Why not? So we just let's do the same for this. Add two tabs here. This then will be that, and then and normal one, right? So for now we'll just print it so you can see the result really easily. And then one sec, I'll just remove this. I guess I'll this again. So let me say this class 1, 2, and 3. So look, I guess we did. This is 1, 1, 3. So we basically did the thing, which is cool. Now I'll make a copy to our clipboard. To do that, we need to do const child process. I'm not gonna abbreviate that. Equals require child process, and yeah. Uh, hmm. It's like it's child process dot spawn clip because I'm on Windows. Dot end. I think. Yeah, there's end, right? Oh, it's standard. Okay, standard in end, and I can give it. I think I can give it a string until it works still. So I'll just give it this. Right, and let's see if it did work. Oh, it did work. Okay, see. Yeah. Okay, so we basically did what we wanted to. Let's read more of the book and see how that would be incorporated. I guess they make more functions to write that into the files and stuff, so they go into greater depths. Yeah, see, they basically do what I just did, but with Java. So what should we name it? We have argo, we have error, which is the error handler. Um, I guess I could show them the error handler and the code for the interpreter just to showcase. Yeah, now I have this scanner and I have, and now basically it's code copy pasted basically from the book, but I modified it to meet my needs. So, and also to use JavaScript, uh, it's called JavaScript class, which is a bit different than Java. So it's you could notice from this keyword being spammed everywhere. I did try to deconstruct the methods whenever I can from this object, so it's less spammy. But I didn't do that for all the methods. Yeah, you could notice it here. Like before this was just a lot with this keyword repeated over and over again. So if you can see like where my cursor is, this will be where this keyword was, and here too, and down, and everywhere you see add token or string or match or any other function from this clump, it had in the past it had to have this before, but I found out I could do this little trick, and it makes it look just a little bit better, right? Because I think this, I'll put this on GitHub for you guys to see later. I won't go into more detail than this. Also, error.js is just a single function that shows errors and stuff. I don't know why I separated it. The book separated it, so I did too. So it's time to make our I guess expressions. JS. This is our will be our stuff. Um, I'll quit, and I will use this to generate all the classes. So let's generate the ones that the book did. So I guess binary, expression, and grouping, and literal and unary. So binary, left operator right. So binary, left operator right. And then I go here and I'll paste. I guess I'll some out, and you see it works, which is nice. Grouping, just expression. So grouping expression. I should have automated this too, so let me do that now. Envim generate and good, and then okay, the last two I think are literal and unary. So literal just has value, so literal value paste, and then unary operator and right. So unary operator, and then this will be it for today. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the support. Hopefully you like this new format of video. Hopefully we'll get into more deep stuff. Next time I should read more of the book before trying to write code on the project, but mistakes happen, and hopefully it wasn't too annoying. Uh, See you guys next time.